In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove transitions on your videos in Shotcut. So as you can see, I have here two videos that I added transition, and then I also added fade in and fade out at the beginning and at the end. So let me show you how you can delete or remove this. So first, if you want to remove transition, you want to remove this section. If you go ahead and tap on it and then click on delete, sometimes it will go ahead and delete part of your clip. So the correct way to delete it is to come and place the cursor here and then right click on it, and we have an option here called lift. So this is the right way to delete it. So go ahead and tap on lift. If we tap on that, now you see it has loosened and it didn't cut any part of the two clips. Now the next thing is the fade in and fade out. If you want to remove this fade in and fade out, now all you need to do is to point at the corner and you'll see a dot that is blinking. If you go ahead and tap on it, now you can go ahead and move it back until it is 0, and here we go. That is the end of it. And then you can also go ahead and do the same to the fade out, and here you go, up to 0, and we are done. So that's how you remove transitions on your video clips in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.